welcome back to our channel Live Love Travel. Oh my god guys, see the mandi, and the mandi is here. It has a huge 3 pieces of mutton, 1 basa fish. It is like literally मेरे palm का इतना बड़ा size है ये basa fish and a whole chicken. We are going to have so much fun. By the way, I'll just tell you, this is a tomato chutney, which is a tomato and onion chutney with some chilies, garlic, like yogurt mix dip, and this is minty chutney. पे लिखा था this will be juicy. Oh my god, see guys, this is so juicy. मुझे सिर्फ खींचना पड़ा और ये बाहर आ गया. Guys, it is fabulous. Taste with one more time with a dip now. I'll take a garlic dip. The garlic dip is so nice. Wow.